not only the physical and the legal custody, the issue also is the integrity of the Senate, the perception that if we don't have him here, de lahat na lang ng witnesses sasabihin, wag tayo doon. Paano kung wala rin silang tiwala sa PNP? Wag sa PNP, lilipat natin sa NBI. The peculiarity of this case is that it wasn't the House, nor the Senate, nor the PNP, nor the intelligence community making the request. It was the witness.
I beg to disagree. It was Speaker Martin Romualdez who was asking me.
Yes,
I
Mr.
did not
President.
talk to the witness. I did not hear him say. It was only Speaker
Mr. President,
Martin.
it was live in the hearing. Bago siya magsalita, sinabi niya, pwede ba, mga congressman, wag niyo akong ibabalik sa Senate dahil may mga, hindi ako safe, may mga senador doon. Ang sabi ng congressman, magsalita ka muna. Meaning, condition pa nila, magsalita ka, saka na. That's why I think, in fairness to the Speaker, no, I don't think this is his personal
I don't think he
wishes.
was also present.
Yeah,
Much the same
yes, yes.
as I did not hear that.
Let me clarify that, Mr. President. I
Yes.
don't think it's his personal request. I think he was conveying it as Speaker to this chamber in the same manner na pag may request kami sa House, either the Majority Leader or the Senate President will request it. But hindi naman po alam ng tao na ang request ay formal And again, hindi ko na question yung kagabi, but all over the news and live, yung po ang lumalabas, yung witness ang nagdidikta na wag niyo ako ibalik sa Senate. Ano ba experience niya dito? Ano ba ang ginawa natin sa kanya?